Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2018 Ford F150 driver's side mirror. Disconnect the battery negative terminal immediately to prevent electrical issues. Remove the door panel, trim carefully, and locate the 3 mirror bolts and wiring harness. Support the mirror while removing bolts, unplug the harness, and remove the old mirror assembly. Install the new mirror, reconnect the harness, tighten bolts, test functions, and reassemble the door panel. Gather your socket set, trim tools, and a panel clip remover so you don't damage trim or clips. Disconnect the battery and fold or tape the mirror to keep it stable while you work. Label connectors and photograph wiring locations before unplugging anything to simplify reassembly. Keep bolts and clips on a magnetic tray and inspect clips for wear, replacing any brittle pieces before putting everything back together. After removing the old mirror, inspect the wiring harness for corrosion and damaged pins and address any issues before installing the replacement. Use dielectric grease on connectors to keep moisture out and prevent intermittent faults. Mount the new mirror loosely, connect the harness, then test adjustments, heater, and signals before tightening bolts fully. Confirm the mirror housing sits flush against the door and that all fasteners are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.